Rex, are you happy today? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Huh? What? What? Look, Isabella's over there. Look, look. Isabella's not there yet. Isabella's not there. Oh, the sun is so bright. You're waiting patient. I'm so happy to see her. Yes. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Huh? What? She's coming. It's okay. You gotta stay here. Don't go anywhere. She's just here to grab poop bags. No, Rex.
About the same. Yeah, about the same. All the same amenities as Mizuno, so it's all the same shit. The building just had fucking 40 stories. So I was on 30.
Rex, don't. No, don't jump. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. I know that you're trying, Rex, to be patient, and you're waiting so hard, and you're so happy to leave. I promise you, we'll get you somewhere. We'll take you out. Also. Rex, how are you? Are you okay? Rex. Do you know that you're a really good pet? You are a really good pet. Do you know that? I think you know that you are a really, really, really good pet. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, 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 yes. You are. You are a good boy. You are a very good boy. Yes. Where's my sister? She's taking forever. Yeah. She's taking a